Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here on ThinkMarkets. And if you want to do this, we go right here to search for instrument and then we search for gold. Then you will find right here the gold to US dollars right here. So we select that one and now we are having here gold. Then what we're going to do is we click right in the top and then select here buy. Then what we're going to do is select here with how many lots we want to step in with. So let's do 2 lots. Select right here if you want to put a take profit or a stop loss on it to do on risk management. And then after that, it's quite simple. We click here on confirm buy. Then we click on place order, and right now you see that an error happened right here because this trading instrument is currently closed. So right now you can't buy gold because the market is closed, but when the market is opened it works exactly the same and then you will have immediately gold. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.